shoutout requests. The first is from FINTAN Murphy. Here is his channel. Here is his latest video. I think I will fast forward this. Finally. Let's move on to the second shoutout request. This is for Criart Tub. Latest video is a home orbital sander. So check out FINTAN Murphy and Criart Tub. The links will be in the video description. Thank you for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.